What's good, YouTube? It's the Ginger coming at you back with another one, you dig? Currently, ain't really nothing too important going on. You know, I ain't getting no Sunday fun day in because it was wet out, and I didn't really wanna bring Ursula out. So, basically, what I had going on is yesterday, Lil Bro went ahead and copped him what he wanted to cop. Now, so I got the Marrow. Little brother got the Mustang. He was the first one to have it, actually. And then my other little brother, which is the youngest one, just went ahead and copped him a Charger piece. So I'm gonna get through and I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. And man, all we was doing, you know, we done took it downtown, driving around. We was all around the town, man, just having fun, you know, having fun in the whips and all that. But I ain't gonna hold y'all. I don't, you know me, you know, like I say, I don't really like to do all that talking, man. Me personally, what I do is I like to show the content. So with that being said, man, let's get to it. Bike life. He say he flex. You right after. Huh? out. Look down. Smell that fresh air, you dig? Smell that fresh air, you dig? You know, we got the big three. Got Ford, got Chevy, got Dodge. We all out, you know. Ain't nothing but the mutual car love, you dig? But everybody love their own.